From its beginning, the St. George area has been renowned for its skyline of red rock bluffs and mesas. The layout of neighborhoods and roads have adapted to this unique landscape. West Black Ridge, a prominent bluff in the area, creates a natural boundary between the east and west sides of the community. Bluff Street moves drivers along this massive landmark to other roads. As the community grows on both sides of the ridge, more and more stress is placed on Bluff Street, leading to long lines of cars turning onto Bluff Street from St. George Boulevard, and even more cars waiting to turn off of Bluff Street onto Sunset Boulevard. To prepare for future growth, UDOT and the City of St. George have designed a safer, more efficient Bluff Street along West Black Ridge. Here's what's happening. First, rather than waiting at a stoplight, drivers on St. George Boulevard will have a free right turn lane that gets them directly onto Bluff Street without any lights, speeding up the flow of traffic. Second, UDOT will widen Bluff Street along West Black Ridge, adding extra lanes for vehicles and creating more space for bicycles. On the north end of the ridge, Bluff Street intersects with Sunset Boulevard, a crowded intersection. Currently, this intersection directs the flow of traffic to the north. Left-turning cars have to wait for the green arrow to get onto Sunset Boulevard, creating long lines of vehicles in the left-hand turn lane. UDOT's improved design will direct the flow of traffic to the west, where it turns into Sunset Boulevard. This means instead of waiting in the left-hand turn lane, you simply follow the main flow of traffic around the ridge. Only vehicles in the outside lane will continue north on Bluff Street. While making these improvements, UDOT will add a pedestrian tunnel at Bluff Street and Sunset Boulevard where people can cross safely. Computer models predict that these simple enhancements will improve the commute along Bluff Street for decades to come. UDOT, keeping Utah moving.